The time is 5:39 p.m. Australian Eastern Daylight Savings Time. The price of Bitcoin is 4,342 American dollars. Last night we saw a sharp decline in the price of Bitcoin. It fell from $4,495 to $4,062. I think this was a necessary movement, but it was quick, and 4,000 I think is acting as support for the time being. We saw a breakout of this triangle to the upside. It was slightly out. I was slightly out on my trend line drawing. I could probably edit it to make it a bit better. As you can see here, a green candle with quite a bit of volume meant that we were able to penetrate this descending trend line of resistance and therefore become above and break out of this area. This was a very risky trade to go long, and many shorts, I would assume, got liquidated. We are now on a descending triangle, but it seems that the price has broken out of this area to the upside. In terms of future price movement, I would assume that Bitcoin could make a move up to the $4,900 area, which didn't act as support, but I don't think that we're strong enough to penetrate $5,000. And if you were to put a position somewhere in this vicinity, I would imagine there is potential for profit to be made, with the hope that the price does break this area, the $4,500 area, and it may breach $5,000, but I'm not confident in the price going above $5,000. There are still a lot of people thinking that the bottom is over. I personally do not believe the bottom is over. As we can see on the daily time frame, I apologize for that interruption. My internet connection was lagging for a little bit, but we're back into the time frame. Daily time frame, I believe that it's potential for us to consolidate in this area, in this vicinity, and potentially make a move upwards to the $5,000 area. I'm not touching it, however, and I believe once people believe that the price is to continue to the upside, I think we are going to see some very violent price action to the downside. And in that case of the price hitting in this area, this area from 4,600 to 4,900, or even 5,000 if we hit it, I think that if we do get up there, there's a high possibility of us then going down to the $3,000 area. And I believe that $3,000 area could act as some major support. but I'm still sticking to my target of around this area, from roughly $1,500 all the way down to even $1,000. I don't believe we can go any lower than that, as most Bitcoin maximalists would be very bullish around this area and start buying in mass, and that would mean that we wouldn't see the price there for very long. Again, I will say Bitcoin must die in order for it to live, and that means that Bitcoin must go down, wipe all the other coins as listed on here. There are many other coins that need to go to potentially zero, and I believe once these coins are removed or don't hold much value anymore, then potentially Bitcoin can start to make new all-time highs. I believe that the bottom for Bitcoin might be coming in the next couple of months. As per usual, this is not financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor, but I believe in the next coming months, there is potential for us to see the bottom for Bitcoin, at least for the next coming years. So in that case, I would be looking to buy around the $1,000 to $1,500 area. I'm starting to think about accumulating below $2,000 American. The volume on the daily hasn't been extreme, but we are seeing the price movement that dipped to $4,200, and it is up roughly $150 to $200 as it is right now. And I think that we might be able to see some price movement up to 5,000, but in the medium term, I'm looking towards a $4,000 target and then $3,000, and that's what I think of the current state of the market. Again, I'll give the contrarian view. When everyone is telling me to buy, I consider it to be a good time to sell. If there are any other coins you'd like me to analyze with my technical analysis, please let me know. And this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed my content. If you do, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, please give me any feedback if you would like me to do anything else with the channel. And thank you for your time. Have a great day and peace.